topic number 126, Simple Macro Substitution Directive. So let's move forward. Preprocessor Directive. So in the previous video we have talked about the preprocessor, that how the preprocessor work. Now in this video we are going to learn about the Simple Macro Directive. So let's look at Preprocessor Directive. So the preprocessor directives follow special syntax rules that are different from the normal C syntax. So preprocessor directive has been classified into three categories, and today we will learn about the macro substitution directive. Then after that we will learn about the file inclusion directive and compiler control directive. So let's look at the macro substitution directive. Macro substitution directive in C language. So macro substitution directive is further classified into three categories, that is simple macro substitution, argumented macro substitution and nested macro substitution. And today we will learn about the simple macro substitution. So let's look at the simple macro substitution. So here is the simple macro substitution. Here is the syntax part that about the simple macro substitution. This you need to define a hashtag define, identifier here and the string that you wanted to give here. So you need to use the hashtag define, then identifier name, then string name here. So this is a simple macro substitution. So here is the example. We are defining hashtag define pi as a value 3.1415926. So actually if we write pi in our code or in our program, it means we are writing this value. Okay, so this is the main work of a macro. This is the main work of a macro in C language. Again you can see this is a simple macro substitution. Again you can see another example that hashtag define true, and here the string we can say that is one here. So actually if we write true in our program, it means 1. So this is also a simple macro substitution. And if you write hashtag define capital, and here you will use the string that is Delhi, and if you write capital in your program of C language, then it means Delhi. So this is how you can define anything through macros, and it is a simple macro substitution. So this was all about the simple macro substitution. In the next video we will learn about the argumented macro substitution. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.